Hey, hello, you're Second Trial with Wolf Gorlick. A few minutes riffing on IT and IT security. Today looking at trust over time and how time affects trust. You know, I'm a big believer that you can defend a network well with even the most basic of tools. I'm often inspired by 17th century martial arts, which had to rely on things like farm implements and shovels and hoes and things that would eventually become the clubs and the nunchucks of today. You give someone the most basic of tools, you be strategic about it, you be thoughtful about it, you apply it to a known threat and use a way of evaluating against it, and you can really do quite a lot to defend your organizations. So the tip for you is this: one of the things that's oftentimes overlooked is the power of time, and specifically trust over time. Trust is really high in the beginning, but as time goes on, that trust signal goes down. So for example, if you have a desktop or a server, the longer that thing is running, the less you can trust it, right? You don't know if it's has vulnerabilities. You don't know if someone downloaded something they shouldn't. You don't know if there are malware running on it now. You don't know if someone phished and did a back. There's a whole bunch of things that could happen. And yeah, you can implement instrumentation to check for all those things. But again, thinking about it in terms of a shovel, what is the smallest amount of tool that you can use to get some good indication? And this goes back to trust. Trust over time decreases. That time that you are running is a solid signal of how much you can trust that thing and the likelihood that a criminal might be doing something untrustworthy. This is one of those zero trust principles that you can start playing around with. How does this actually work in the real world? One of the organizations I saw, severely underfunded security budget, severely underfunded team, but what they did have was buy-in to have everyone use a VDI solution. Awesome. So everyone's using these virtual desktops, they're remoting in. Awesome. Knowing this concept of trust over time, they set it up so that you would automatically get a brand new image every single time you logged in. One. And two, that you would have to log off and log back in at least once every 24 hours. Two. And then three, they maintain those images, patching them monthly and making sure they're in the most pristine state. Three. Those three things combined ensured that no one desktop in their environment was any older than 24 hours. And ensured that every desktop in their environment was patched up to the latest gold image. Fantastic. You will get infected and the person would log off and log back in and it was gone. You would get someone phished. Oh no, they've been phished. And that access was gone the next time I logged in. Every single way that persistence would happen would never work. Someone would get ransomware, no problem. I'll log off and log back in. I got a brand new image. It was a really clever way to add a whole lot of security. Now, they also did things like endpoint isolation, so worms would spread across. There's more to it. But the point is, if you start thinking about things in terms of trust and playing with things in terms of time, you can come up with some really creative solutions to add a whole lot of security without a whole lot of complexity. What do you think? What are other good examples of trust over time and ways to shorten the time of anything existing? Hit me up in comments or social media. Cheers.